Hi, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial today. What I'm going to be showing you how to do is create super speed like the Flash with a particle trail as well behind it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go into the third person character and we're going to create this action event, right mouse button. You can create your own inside the project settings if you want. But essentially what we need to do is we need to get the character movement and set max walk speed. And this is going to give us our super speed. Okay, and we're going to call this 10,000. And then we're going to do this again on released. Okay, and we're going to do 600. Stop it. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to create a variable called is sprinting. And the reason we're going to do this is this will activate the particles. So we're going to set this to true when we have super speed. And we're going to set this to false when we don't. Okay, and now I got this particle from an asset pack on the Unreal Marketplace, but I recommend you make your own. Where is it? It is right here. It's just a little lightning particle. I recommend you make your own because this one's not very good for the skeletal mesh stuff, but it will work. Okay, so now we need to get a branch check on event tick. Actually, we're not going to use tick. We're going to use a timeline because tick is bad practice. We're going to get begin play, and we're going to make a timeline. Okay, and we are going to make a float track in there, add a key in here, and it's going to work like a custom tick essentially. So we're going to make this 2.5, and we're going to make this 1.0. Okay, and actually this one is 2.5, 1.0, and this will be 5.0 and 0. So the tick is going to run up here, then run down. Okay, and we're going to loop this. All right, we're going to click loop. And then what we're going to do is on the update, we are going to check a branch. Actually, we'll do that. Yeah, we'll do that here. And we're going to get is sprinting. And if that is true, we need to spawn our particle system. So spawn particle or spawn system at location. If you're using Cascade, it would be spawn emitter at location, but I'm using Niagara particles. Okay, so we're going to do skeletal mesh lightning, which is the particle I imported. And we're just going to leave all this the same. And then what we're going to do, set rotation, let's do it off the return value, set location and rotation. So set world location and rotation. Okay, and then we want to get a particle socket or skeletal socket, which will be off the mesh. We'll get the mesh and then skeletal socket. Get socket location. Okay, and we'll go make these sockets in just a second. Okay, actually, we're just going to use the default bone structure because we just need to hit bone. Okay, so we're going to name this pelvis, or capital P. Where is it? Pelvis, okay. Pelvis, all right. I'm going to put this into rotation. And now make sure when you write this out in socket name, it's very correct. If it has caps and it doesn't end the skeletal, it won't work. Okay. So now essentially what we're going to do is we got our super speed. We can run fast. We have lightning particles behind us. It'll update wherever we go, and that is essentially how you make it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy specialized tutorials like this, hit the follow button and like the video. Thank you.